To turn off the passcode on iPhone. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to turn off the passcode on iPhone. So first of all, just simply open your settings in the account, and after that just simply scroll down and you need to locate the Face ID and passcode settings from the options. And in order to turn off your passcode on iPhone, you need to first enter your passcode that you use to unlock your iPhone currently. And once you have entered the passcode, just simply scroll down and you can see that the turning off passcode option is currently disabled. Since I have my stolen device protection on and I also have my Face ID set up completely. So in order to enable the turn passcode off, you need to first click on the stolen device protection and you need to disable this particular option right here, and this will require your Face ID. And just come back, and now you have to reset your Face ID. Just simply tap on it and click on Setup Face ID, and just simply turn and over here just simply click Turn Passcode Off, and you need to tap on this particular option again. It will require you to enter your password in order to turn the passcode off from your iPhone. So if you're sure that you would want to turn your passcode off, you need to enter the password and click on turn off. And that's how you will be able to turn off the passcode on iPhone. I hope you find this video to be helpful.